breaking. Can you rejoin it again? Your voice is breaking.
Okay, sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I'm able to hear you. Okay, Akshara, I'll explain to you. Just listen, what is a simple definition of a computer, okay?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
what is a simple definition of a computer is, first it accepts an input, okay? First
Yes.
it accepts an input. After input is given, it will do the processing, okay? After
Yes,
the input, what it will do? It will do the processing. And after the processing, you will get a desired output, okay?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
simple definition of a computer is, first what we have to do, first we have to give an input. After the input, the processing will be done. After the input, the processing will be done. And after the processing, there will be a desired output, okay? So
Yes,
let
ma'am.
me explain to you this in detail. Input is in the form of a data, okay?
Okay,
Data
ma'am.
means what? Okay, data means what? Data means any information, okay? First
Yes.
we'll study about the input. Okay, input is in the form of a data, in the form of a data. So if your data is correct, listen carefully, okay? So if
Yes,
your
ma'am.
data is correct, input is correct, your processing will also be correct, and your desired output will also be correct, okay? So everything depends on your input. If your input is wrong, if your input is not accurate, okay, then the processing will also be a wrong, and the output which is generated, that also be wrong. This much you understood a simple definition of a computer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let me explain to you what you have in your syllabus. Okay, in
Yes,
11th
ma'am.
standard, I think you had a computer science, no? In 11th standard,
Yes.
you had a
Yes.
computer science. Now, this